Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Yaris petrol cap. First, locate the fuel cap release lever, typically found on the floor near the driver's seat or on the dashboard. Pull this lever firmly to unlatch the fuel door. Once the door is open, twist the fuel cap counterclockwise until it loosens completely. You can then remove the cap and begin refueling your vehicle. It's a simple process once you know where to look. After opening the cap, insert the fuel nozzle into the tank opening. Ensure you are using the correct type of petrol for your Yaris. Once refueling is complete, remove the nozzle and securely replace the fuel cap. Turn the cap clockwise until you hear several clicks, indicating it is properly sealed. This prevents fuel evaporation and ensures safety. Finally, gently push the fuel door closed until it latches securely. Sometimes you might encounter minor issues. If the fuel door doesn't open, check for any obstructions around the door or ensure the release lever is pulled completely. A stiff or stuck fuel cap can often be loosened with a gentle wiggle while turning. Avoid forcing it, as this could damage the cap or the fuel filler neck. If problems persist, consult your owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Regular maintenance of your fuel cap is important for optimal performance. Keep the cap and the surrounding area clean to prevent dirt from interfering with the seal. Periodically inspect the rubber seal on the cap for any cracks or damage, as a compromised seal can lead to fuel vapor loss. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.